Hey guys! Today I just got back from seeing the opening day of Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn in IMAX. I haven't seen any movie in IMAX since Dolittle 2 weeks ago, which I late movie reviewed and movie reacted. So without further ado, here's my official Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn in IMAX movie review and movie reaction video. So the concept of Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn is basically when Gotham's nefariously narcissistic villain Roman Sionis and his right hand put a target on a young girl named Cass, then the city is turned upside down looking for her. With that being said, Harley, Huntress, Black Canary, and one more girl that I forgot her name. No offense, but the first three I just said are definitely the names. The unlikely foursome have no choice but to team up and take down Ronin. I just don't want to spoil and ruin it for you guys, but that's really the entire concept of Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn. And here's my reaction. I really loved it. It was great, good, dope, lit, funny, and even hilarious at the same time. Especially the fighting scenes. And the fact that Margot Robbie reprised her role as Harley Quinn from that Suicide Squad movie 3.5 years ago. But in all seriousness, this was my official Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn in IMAX movie review and movie reaction video. Alright, love you guys.